this video tutorial I will explain stream method of arrays class which accept int array. Here I have defined a class arrays demo. Here I have defined int array. Then I am calling stream method of arrays class and passing int array. This method returns int stream. Then using for each loop, I am getting each element from int stream and displaying. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.